Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Twist the securing pins to unlock the filter. Remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AF5244 filter into the housing. Rotate and lock the securing pins. Reinstall the filter housing door. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.